Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, the war between Dollar Ganduje, the governor of Kano State, and the Emir of Kano, Emir Sanusi, is a war without end. I have said this numerously on this channel. It's a battle that keeps on giving. So now there's a latest installment. Actually, there are two installments, so I'll be doing two separate videos on this particular storyline, but this is the first of them. So this latest development, let me just give you the headline first, and then I'll give you a preamble, and then we'll get into the body of the story. So Kano State Governor Umar Ganduje demands apology from Emir Sanusi. So that's the headline. Kano State Governor Umar Ganduje demands apology from Emir Sanusi. So effectively, this dollar-loving governor of Kano State, who was rigged back against the will of the Kano State people, is now demanding that the Emir of Kano, no less a figure, should be in the Dobale position and prostrate to him with his chin on the floor and beg before he is then able to allow him to carry on being the Emir of Kano. This is effectively what is being said. Never mind what the body of the story says. So if he's demanding an apology in Yoruba land, an apology always entails rather a dobale. So this Emir of rather dollar-loving governor of Kano State is demanding a dobale from the Emir of Kano before he can allow no less a figure than the Emir of Kano, and no less a prominent figure than Lamido himself, the former governor of the central bank, to come and dobale for him so that he can carry on being the Emir of Kano. So now let's get into the body of the story. Kano State Governor Umar Ganduje has been quoted as saying that Emir Mohammed Sanusi must publicly apologize to him and the entire people of Kano State for allegedly dragging the Emirate Council into politics for the ongoing reconciliation moves to yield the desired results. So effectively, he has to do a public idobale before he can let him go. That is effectively what he has said. Ganduje, in his 45-paragraph response to an article, letter to Governor Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, so that's the title of the article that he's responding to, written by one Jibrin Ibrahim in respect of the face-off between the duo, also said Emir Sanusi has the moral burden to withdraw all court cases he's personally sponsoring against Kano State government as part of the reconciliation conditions. The rejoinder, written by the immediate past Kano State Commissioner for Information, Malam Mohammed Garba, on behalf of the state governor, read, "It is very important to state that for the reconciliation to yield the desired result, Emir Sanusi has the moral burden to publicly apologize to Governor Ganduje and the entire people of Kano State for dragging the revered Kano Emirate into the murky waters of politics." So this is the demand that Ganduje is making of Emir Sanusi. It also asked the monarch to extend a hand of fellowship to the emirs of Karuye, Rano, Gaya, and Bichi, and demonstrate his readiness to assume his position as the chairman of State Council of Emirs. So effectively, there's two elements to that now. One, they want a public idobale for him to go to the market square, to the public square in Kano State, and lie prostrate in front of the governor so that the governor can put his feet on his head by way of apology, and then for him to also now accept that his emirate is now permanently split, and this new emirates has been created. The Kuraye, the Rano, the Gaya, and the Bichi are here to stay, and there's absolutely nothing he can do about it. So these are the demands of dollar-loving governor of Kano State, the one that was rigged in by Buhari against the will of the the Kano State people, Dollar Ganduje. So this is the demand that Dollar Ganduje is making of Emir Lamido Sanusi. So these are the goings on in Kano State now. So like I said, this is one of our two-part video that I'll be dropping today because there are further developments on this storyline. But I just wanted to bring you this quickly to see what you are making of this. This dollar-loving governor asking the revered throne of Kano State. Forget Sanusi and forget Ganduje. The throne of Kano State has been a throne that the Nigerian state has revered and enjoyed pretty much since the beginning of the Nigerian state, because we all remember Adobayero, who ruled over that emirate for a very long time, a gentleman, quietly spoken, who kept himself to himself and concerned himself with the development of his community mainly, and then when there was national issues, he just made a non-partisan thing that let's all get on together. That's all he said, and nothing more than that. And this show business guy that we have there now, Sanusi, who wants to be Mr. MC Hammer, popping and bopping, wanting to be in the media all the time, and the person that wants to be in the media more than him is the dollar-loving governor. So they will now have all these what's up boys in Kano State fighting for space, doing what's up with the Emirates. So, but now the what's up dollar-loving governor wants the what's up emir to come and do it dobale in the public space. So this is a conversation for this particular video. So conversations in the comment section as usual. This is what we do on this channel. But before you come join me in the comment section to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray, bell button, that way you're notified every time I drop a new video. Then come join me in the comment section, let me know what you are making of all this. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.